If you like this laser cut army transport truck that I designed a few years back, you're really going to love the CNC version of it. I'll get into the details as to why the laser cut version of this model is so much smaller than the CNC version. But for now, we'll focus on the CNC. This model is cut with 3 sheets of plywood, 500 by 400 millimeters, 6 millimeters thick. You'll need about an hour of cutting time and about a day to let everything dry. It's easier for this model if you dry everything in one shot instead of doing it piece by piece. Trust me, I've done it. All right, well, let's make it. Designing for a CNC versus a laser machine are two very, very different things. For the first part is you have very small pieces here, and with the laser, because there's nothing pushing or pulling on the wood while it's being cut, this is possible. You can't do this with a CNC router because it's spinning. So what you do is you make parts larger. As you can see the front, if you want to compare the two. Now, why is that? Basically, a router bit is rather large compared to a beam of light. And that's what it comes down to. You have to design based on the technology you're using. Of course, if I want to laser cut this using the same plans, I could, not a problem. But I can never CNC this model at this size. your vacuum fills up at twice the rate you think it actually does. Among the hundreds of models available at woodmarvels.com, this is among my most favorite. It's a perfect child's toy. You have spinning wheels, tons of storage, it can go inside and outside. It's pretty cheap to make with plywood. It's an easy project to build. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.